Smart gadgets have become incredibly popular in recent years. They help to make our lives substantially easier and are often quite affordable. Most of us are familiar with the Amazon Echo line of products, as well as Google Home. However, there are countless other devices that are available on the market that can be found for very reasonable prices. Welcome to Future Tech. In this video, we will take a look at 9 of the most advanced smart gadgets and inventions of 2020. Before we begin, don't forget to click that like button and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future uploads. 9. HiMo. HiMo is an all-new foldable e-bike that can be taken with you everywhere you go. The bike was designed and created in New York as a means of transportation for those who live within the city limits and have a relatively short commute to work or to the local stores. The bike was built to be extremely durable, lightweight, and extremely compact. Most automobiles cost tens of thousands of dollars. Even a small used car can cost you well over $5,000 if you expect it to be reliable. However, the HiMo is priced at just $469 for Indiegogo backers, and it is currently in production. The bikes are estimated to be ready for shipment in May of 2020, and dozens of backers have already claimed their bikes. The bike is made out of an aluminum alloy, making it both rugged and easy to carry around. It has a padded mesh seat for unsurpassed comfort with an LED display so that you can view your bike's stats in any type of lighting or weather condition. Right out of the box, the bikes can reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour and have a range of over 20 miles. The removable battery makes them very easy to charge. You can lock your bike outside of your place of work or the local market. Take your battery inside to charge, and then resume your ride when you are ready to leave without ever needing to bring the bike indoors. Weighing just 32 pounds, the HiMo is going to be very difficult to pass up. For anyone who lives within 20 miles of a frequent destination, this bike is a must-have. If you plan on investing in the HiMo, we suggest you do so quickly, because there are only a few dozen bikes remaining for the Indiegogo pre-orders. 8. CleanStep XTC. With the recent pandemic of the coronavirus, we are looking for ways to keep ourselves healthy and far away from the risk of catching the potentially life-threatening illness. For most of us, this means repeated hand washing, hand sanitizer, and a mask when going into crowded public spaces. However, one area of our bodies we often fail to think about is our feet. Have you ever stopped to consider how many germs there may be on your shoes? While you may not make an effort to touch the bottoms of your shoes, it almost always happens when you bend down to put them on in the morning. Our shoes are covered with loads of germs and bacteria that can be dangerous to our health, but CleanStep XTC has found a remedy for this issue. CleanStep XTC is a new technology that allows you to have protective coverings on your feet or shoes at all times. Simply place your shoes into the device, and a plastic cover will be placed on the bottom of your shoe so that you never need to worry about bringing germs into your home. Simply remove the covering before entering your house, wash your hands, and you're good to go. These covers may not be ideal for particularly rough terrains, but for indoor use, they could be quite useful, especially in the medical field. Pricing is a bit unclear at the moment, but the machine is likely to be a bit expensive for residential customers. 7. Shine Ultra. Shine Ultra is the next generation of portable scanners and hopes to redefine the way that we scan our everyday important documents. This scanner offers a 13-megapixel camera lens with 340 dpi, providing excellent clarity for fine printed documents. Patented technology allows this scanner to create digital renditions for many different types of documents and can even provide a clean and clear scan of a curved object. The company claims you can scan an entire book in as little as 10 minutes, making this scan seriously fast. Shine Ultra can be found on Indiegogo for just $149 right now, but this price isn't expected to last long. Scanners are expected to begin shipping any day now, so grab them while you can. 6. MUIN Refrigerator Door Lock. The MUIN Refrigerator Door Lock is a product that can dramatically improve the lives of any adult who is helping to watch what their child eats, or a spouse who is attempting to help their loved one lose weight. This lock attaches to virtually any refrigerator and can be operated with a simple set of keys. Available for just $12.99 on Amazon, this lock is affordable by near anyone's standards and can be a major help to those who are looking for a cost-effective way to lock away foods or treats. Strong 3M tape attaches the lock to your fridge and will require a great deal of effort to remove. No drilling or mounting hardware is required. Simply stick the lock to your fridge and you're good to go. 5. Tactigon Skin. Tactigon is a new technology wearable that enables simple gesture control for most robots, PCs, games, VR devices, 3D printers, drones, and much more. The device is designed similarly to a glove, but is much easier to wear. Its design is elegant and is as light as a bracelet or smartwatch. Its built-in AI allows the device to capture movements that can then be programmed to different keystrokes or functions of your favorite devices. Low-energy Bluetooth connectivity makes this device energy efficient, with its battery lasting several hours. It offers 4 programmable keys so that when gestures may not be appropriate, functionality can be achieved with the simple push of a button. 4. Dazzeler. Dazzeler is a new device that can literally save your life. This product is a ridiculously bright light that is designed to stun a potential attacker and allow you to get away from a mugging, violent attack, or a much worse situation that has affected the lives of millions of women. This device has not been fully backed on Kickstarter, but the light is a flashing strobe light that is proven to interrupt violent altercations and allow victims adequate time to flee to safety. It is much safer than pepper spray and is rechargeable, meaning that it will virtually never need to be replaced. It is available for around $50 online and ships anywhere in the world. 3. Ice Cold Killer. Ice Cold Killer is a rather humorous name given to a large stainless steel ice cube that allows you to drink your beverage without it being watered down by normal ice cubes. These products have been on the market for many years, but Ice Cold Killer takes things a bit further, as it is much more effective than similar products that can be found online or in major retailers. This device is designed to resemble a World War II mine, though this design was implemented so that the coolness of the device can reach many different areas of your drink for maximum cooling efficiency. It can be found on Kickstarter for as little as $29 and is available now. 2. HiMo Wash Machine. Many of us hated to get baths when we were children. In fact, lots of us hate taking baths or showers even as adults. The HiMo Wash Machine, designed by Saucony Oy, aims to remedy this problem, as it can bathe any human without the need for you to wash yourself. Simply stand still and let the machine do the work. It functions similarly to a dishwasher, but it was designed to be safe and effective for use on people. It only takes a few minutes to get completely clean and would be the perfect addition to your washing regimen after a difficult gym workout. Prices on these devices vary greatly, as the cost of installation is almost impossible to predict. But these machines can be found for around $5,000 online. 1. Dot Watch. The Dot Watch is a way for you to keep in touch with the world from your wrist. You can answer calls and receive text messages that will appear on the face of the watch in Braille. For anyone who is visually impaired or entirely blind, this watch is a no-brainer. The Dot Watch offers much of the functionality of a regular smartwatch, but can be easily used by those who are less fortunate than us. The Dot Watch is available now for just $299.